Alright, what we're doing right here is this is a Wisconsin V4 air-cooled, and we just put the magneto on and we're going to check for spark. Now this is number 1 cylinder right here you're looking at, this one. And I'm going to rotate here's the timing mark on the flywheel. I painted it white. Did the same thing on the magneto. Here's the magneto. This is going to make the spark right here. Ron's going to hold the wire, and I'm going to rotate it until this piston comes back up to its compression stroke where it's supposed to fire. So you're also going to hear the impulse of the spark. There goes the piston. It's going down. So that snap was another cylinder. I'm going to move the wire right up here to the... Okay, you can hear another cylinder impulse. One more, and then our cylinder will be up for its firing. Okay, so here it comes. I'm showing the spark. Pow! Did you see it? Okay.
The Wisconsin engine.
VH4D.
VH4D, ready to go.
First run.
First run.
Well, second run, actually.
Okay.
Keep it running. I mean the video. I'm going to give it a little squirt of mustard,
it has to
which is gas.
It just needs to be a little
A
tweak.
little primed.
Little primer.
Okay. Sorry about that, people. I'm going to get another little squirt.
We can always edit it, George.
Yeah, true.
It was running just before we started taking this shot.
It's actually warm and shit.
Oh.
That's full.
It's open.
Now it's closed.
Yeah, but don't close it all the way.
No.
Okay, go ahead, hit it. Okay, let the choke open. Okay, you're good.